Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and then the orange line annotation are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made, as yesterday's annotations played out very nicely today. So I talked about how, the price had made its way upwards, and you can see this morning got the trend line break, and then from there, the rest was history. Got great continuation the remainder of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. It's played its role. Now, the other thing I'm going to do is and the question here becomes, what direction is this adjustment being made? But now that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of support up to right here at $30.75. And the question becomes, okay, well, what direction was it adjusted? And I had to adjust that level of support higher. And that is always a good thing, assuming, of course, you're bullish or long. Whenever levels of support do need to be adjusted in the upwards direction, that is definitely always a step in the right direction. And that's what you want to see going forward. So yeah, that level of support definitely needed to be adjusted higher. So that's a nice sign of bullishness. Now, taking a step back and looking at more of this from the grand scheme of things, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. If everyone wants to visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level right there would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to focus on those because really resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing now over the past couple of days, and that is that right there, just building higher bases, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as these higher stair steps continue to be put into play, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those higher lows and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.